Hello, out again, the backpacking Geordie. Today we're up in the Cheviots. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. And I'm out today with little Kylo dog, and we're going to head up onto one of the summits, possibly windy Gyle, and maybe do a wild camp. I'm really excited. I've got my new 4-season tent. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but I've heard some great things about it. It gets great reviews, and I've just been given it for my birthday, so I'm going to get out at night and give it a test. So keep watching, come along, follow the ride, and we'll see what happens. Right, roll that intro. We've just walked up past that house, by the farm track, and you get a fork in the road where the ford is, and we're going to take a left and head up that way, up towards windy Gyle. Right, we're not far away from the top now. That's windy Gyle behind me, up there. Very blustery. I'll get my wind speed machine out when we get up the top. Must be, I'm guessing, 25-30 mile an hour wind, so it'll be a good little test for the tent, the mystery tent that you don't know what it is yet. So lots of views, bit of clag, and then way over there behind them woods, if you can make it out on the camera, down in that valley is where the car is. So we've walked a couple of miles, got a bit of elevation. So we're just going to continue on and get our house set up for the night, get settled in, get some food on. I think it's about 4 o'clock, so what, about an hour and a half till it gets dark now. So just nice by the time we get there and get pitched. So right, we'll see you up the top. Here we are, top of windy Gyle. We made it. Oh, it's windy. So I'm going to get the tent pitched up from the other side of that trig point, get a little bit of shelter and get cozy. So we'll just do a tap out on the trig. Oh, it's fresh up here, is it not? There you go, tap out. Right, I'll get this tent up, that's if it doesn't blow away. Right, I've got her up, lovely tent. I'm just fiddling about a bit because I don't think that back's right, so I'm going to have a bit play about with it. I don't actually know what I'm doing wrong, but it doesn't look like it should. Them poles should be more like upright, if you like, but I'll show you inside anyway. I've just going to take this bit of video, just probably going to get dark quite soon. But here we go. Look at the room in here. There's the little window at the back with the vent. Mr. K sorting himself out. Massive porch area. So outdoor wall sorted for the night, and this is it. It's about 5:45 now. It's quite gusty. Get a little bit of views, look. Tent's holding up well, but this half I'm impressed with, but that I'm not. I don't know if I've done something wrong when I've pitched it. It just doesn't look right. I don't know. I'm going to have a further investigation into that. The outer is actually touching the inner fly. I think it's as though like that should be further that way, but I don't know. I'm going to have to repitch it out of the wind and have another look at it, because I've read the reviews and you know, they're saying that's a great tent and it's such an obvious design flaw if that's the case. But I'll check it out. But it's holding up well in the wind, so I'm just going to get in there now and get settled. Right, so let's have a look. 12 miles an hour there. 14, 1 degree. Whew, right. I think I'll get some food on. Well, good morning. It's 7:15. I slept okay, really. It was very windy during the night. But looking at the tent from the inside out over, it looks like it's never moved. So all in all good. So I'm just going to get up now and see what's happening outside. So yeah, all good. I think I went to bed about 8 o'clock. Just had a coffee, got into bed and must have fell straight asleep. So get up and see what it's like outside, eh? Right, all packed up. As you can see, haven't left any trace apart from a bit of flat ground. It's about 1 degree, wind speed about 15 miles an hour. We've been good. Like the new tent, I need to have a look at the back end though. I must have pitched it wrong or something, but apart from that, it looks a really nice tent. So we'll head back down. As you can see, that's the crag. So I don't know if there'll be much more to film, but I had another great night, another camp done, so that's March done if I don't get out again. Okay, so we're just heading back down into the valley now. It's a little bit warmer. You can see there's not the snow on the ground and the wind's dropped down a little bit. So fantastic camp. Wanted to do Windy Gyle for a while now, so I'm glad we've done that. I'm a bit disappointed in the tent, but I'll probably have another look at it when I get home with a clear head. I can't understand how I could have pitched it wrong, but I'm hoping that's what I've done, because I just can't see it being a design flaw, not for the money and the reputation the tent's got. But anyway, thanks to Lily for buying us a coffee after the last video. That was very kind of you, Lily. Really appreciate it. This time it went on Kylo. He went to Pets at Home and he got some rabbit ears and some treats, so it was only right it was his turn to enjoy the money. So thanks again for that. Anybody who wants to donate to the channel by buying us a coffee, the link's in the pinned to the comments or possibly in the description. If you just click on that and donate, and obviously the obvious one, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And if you've got any thoughts on what I did wrong pitching the tent, and if you Basco's users out there, please don't think twice about letting us know what I did wrong. But anyhow, we'll get off now. The car's just down the bottom there, and another good wild camp done. Just disappointed about the tent, but I'm sure we'll fix it. Right, see you later.